Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. I'm Jason, and today we will be unboxing the latest 25G NIC card from Synology. Basically, it's the E25G21-F2. Well, that's a quite handful. It's quite long, alright? So basically the E25 stands for 25G, 25 gigabits per second, and it's using SFP28, alright? So we will be unboxing this particular unit to take a look at what's inside. Right, if you have noticed, I have done quite a number of unboxing for quite a number of NIC cards. If you are interested in any of them, do let me know. I will try my best to get a hold of them and then to do some unboxing for you to see what's inside before you actually purchase them. Alright, for this particular unit, it's meant to be in the latest model of RS. Of course, it still works with the older models, but in my case, I'm promoting it for the RS3621. It can be RPSS or the SS Plus or the RS4021 SS Plus. Okay, so without much ado, let's open up the card and let's take a look at the content inside. Alright, it's all sealed up. Okay, so let me cut it up and let's see what's happening. Okay, it's a bit tight though. Okay. A little bit different from what I'm used to. Okay. And over here we need to open it up. Okay. Alright, so it's open. Let's see the content. Okay, so you have the brackets. Okay, so this is for the bigger units, right? And by itself, it's already pre-mounted with another bracket, which is let me open up and take a look. Sealed very tightly. Okay, so basically it comes with a low mount bracket. Okay, by default, and it has two SFP28. Okay, basically also what happens is you have to purchase the SFP28 because it's 25G to make sure that you get full 25G. Okay, you have to connect it also to another 25G switch. Alright, so that's all there is in the packaging. No screws. Yeah, no screws are provided. Okay, this okay. Anyways, the rack mount itself will have a screw because there is a protection bracket, and then basically you screw out the bracket and then you mount it in. Okay, so I will be doing also another video on mounting this particular unit inside a 3621. Alright, do keep a lookout for the video. We will definitely be made available on YouTube. If you have any questions on with regards to this card, do write in the comments or remarks, and then we will definitely reply you. Okay, alright. Thank you very much for spending your time to watch this video. If you do like the channel and enjoy the video, remember to subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.